I actually dumped a girlfriend once. She didn't take it very well. Probably you shouldn't have got down on one knee. I went out the other night, I got a bit drunk. I ended up going out to this random woman's house for a one-night stand. All a bit embarrassing. So woke up really early, I sneaked downstairs. I just booked the closest Uber to get me out of there, you know. Turns out the closest Uber driver was the woman I slept with. It's an awkward lift home. Uber awkward. Thank you. We're meant to be on a date next week, but she wants to go to the Clink restaurant in Brixton. Don't know if you know it. It's a restaurant within Brixton Prison. Right?
Fuck hell.
Shock over here. So you're served by prisoners and the food is prepared by prisoners, right? It's a nice idea, it's a great charity. But I looked at the website and it said 85% of the guys that work there don't reoffend. Right? 85%. Never really proud of that statistic, but I'm still not happy with those odds. It means there's still a 15% chance that your chef for the evening, the Clapham poisoner, might have a fucking change of heart. Maybe a friendly waiter, Carlos the cannibal. I like a restaurant where you can't get shanked or taken hostage. Don't be fussy. Actually, I spent a bit of time in prison. I didn't really enjoy it, but when I was in trouble very, very early on, they showed me to my cell and they introduced me to my creepy cellmate. I said, is the top bunk my bed? He said, no, that's the spare bed. You know when you see something, right, and it makes you think, it makes you think maybe there is some wonderful people out there, some really wonderful people out there. I was on the bus the other day, and there's this young girl sitting next to me. She couldn't have been, she's in her early 20s, I think, and she's on the phone to her brother. He's in a bit of distress. She's trying to console him. And she gave this really emotional speech. It's really inspiring speech, actually. She was kind enough to deliver it so loud that everyone on the bus could hear every single word of this speech. It went something like this. It's all right, Danny! You're going to be all right! You ain't going to prison! Because all you done was nick his bike and stamp on his head! Isn't that just warm the heart? I sat there thinking, Jeremy Kyle doesn't need a studio. He used to come and sit on a South London bus. Fucking cave people everywhere. I don't watch Jeremy Kyle actually. The reason I don't watch Jeremy Kyle, you see, right? So every time he gets in an argument with one of the guests, he uses his brother as an excuse to get out. But you just watch, right? If you get in an argument, they're like, don't you tell me about drugs. My brother was a massive drug addict. He does it for everything, right? Come on. Don't tell me about war criminals. Brother was a war criminal. Don't you tell me about struggling single mothers. Brother. Either he's got like loads of brothers with various different issues, or he's got one brother who's totally fucked up. In which case, get him on the show. Guy needs some fucking help. Jeez. I'm meant to go on a stag do this weekend down in Brighton, but so the older I get, the less I enjoy stag do's. And I've lost my appetite for nights of alcohol-fueled carnage. Not licking tequila off a toilet seat and shots of Zambuca or someone sets fire to my testicles. The older I get, the more I'd rather just go on the hen do. Not let a spa day. I just want a pedicure and a glass of Prosecco. Relaxing day. I've been in a lot of stag do's recently. I've realised every stag do, there's always one nutter in the group. There's always that one guy who tries to escalate the torturing of the groom beyond an acceptable point. It's normally a guy nobody really knows. It's like a bride's stepbrother. He's just out of prison. Just out of clink. Normally the day starts off okay. You make the groom wear a mankini, you make him do a few shots, all kind of standard procedure for the occasion. Eventually, like, the psycho starts popping out with suggestions. He said, why don't we gang him over a wood chipper? They were a stag do with Hannibal Lecter. Let's cut off his ears! Send to sex traffickers! Come on, it's a stag do! Let's kill him, boom in the woods! Tequila! Jeez. I delivered a great best man speech once, actually, I nailed it. You know, I thanked the priest, complimented his wife on her lovely dress, and then I proper roasted him. You know, a few stories about when we went to Magaluf, going all these strip clubs, and out the crowd were in tears. They come up to me afterwards, they're like, oh Jimmy, that wasn't appropriate for a eulogy. I actually had a stroke. I had a stroke when I was 22 years old. So last year. Alright, not too much. One is cerebral venous thrombosis, which sounds more like a kind of 80s pop group. Basically, it was a blood clot and a hemorrhage the size of a satsuma. Right, so I thought that's definitely the end of that. And I had a doctor with a Cockney accent, right, which is it's really difficult to assure somebody they're going to survive with that accent. Imagine you're in hospital, you're waiting for a heart operation, a bit nervous, you're not sure you're going to make it, and then like Dr. Danny Dyer walks in. Oi! Just grab my toolbox. I am going to die. Tell you what I don't like. Do you know that? What's that stroke campaign on the telly with the acronym? Was it FAST?
Yeah.
So what is it? F is facial drooping. A is arm weakening. S is speech slurring, and then the T is time to dial 999. Isn't it? Basically, the campaign should just be F. If your face looks like it's fucking melting, sit there with a checklist. He's got a face like a screen mask. Oh, his speech seems alright. Drinking the tea. I hope when I die, I'll have a glorious death. I want a glorious death. I want to fucking die like Russell Crowe in Gladiator, or fighting a tiger, hail of bullets. You know, a glorious death. No, more like I'll just have a heart attack in Poundlands. Look at my glorious death, just slumped over a bargain bucket. Just like the shittest death ever. Well, my friends will say, yeah, it's what he would have wanted. I'm a Jimmy Bird.